Hey guys, Nestle here from girlonthemattress.com. I sleep on a lot of mattresses and I test and review them for you. So in this video, we are going to unbox the Casper Classic Model mattress. It's not the hybrid model, it's not the essential. This is their first and classic model. Casper started the business in only 2014 and we're on 2018 I guess right now. Yeah, that's right. It's actually my birthday this month. Happy birthday! Thank you so much. The complete full review is on my site girlonthemattress.com. The link is below. Go definitely check the review. That's gonna help you the most to figure out if you should invest in a Casper or not. Why do I talk like so serious? I don't know guys, I don't know. I have a tattoo made last night. Please hit the subscribe button and click on this little bell thing to get the notification for the next new videos. It's so fucking sticky now. It's like sticky and itchy.